Artificial intelligence, AI, is not just a technological shift, it represents a profound transformation of the global workforce. With the ability to simulate human intelligence and perform cognitive tasks, AI is influencing how work is done, who does it, and where it's done. As this shift accelerates, humanity stands at a crossroads, one path leading to increased prosperity, innovation, and quality of life, and the other posing significant risks like unemployment, inequality, and ethical dilemmas. The future of work is not a distant concept, it is unfolding now. Understanding the opportunities and challenges AI brings is critical to ensuring a just and sustainable transition for workers, businesses, and society. Part 1: Opportunities created by AI. 1.1 Automation of repetitive tasks. AI systems excel at automating routine, rule-based tasks such as data entry, inventory management, or scheduling. This automation improves speed, accuracy, and consistency while reducing human error. Workers can redirect energy toward complex, strategic, or interpersonal tasks that require creativity or emotional intelligence. 1.2 Boost in productivity and innovation. AI tools enhance productivity across all sectors, particularly in logistics, supply chain management, software development, and customer support. Intelligent automation allows companies to scale operations quickly with fewer resources. AI also acts as a catalyst for innovation, generating new products, services, and even business models, e.g., AI as a service. 1.3 Job creation in new and emerging fields. While some jobs will be lost to automation, others will be created. New roles are emerging in AI engineering and development, data annotation and labeling, ethics and compliance, AI product management, human AI collaboration, design. The demand for hybrid skill sets, e.g., psychology plus AI, law plus tech, is increasing rapidly. 1.4 Personalized services and enhanced decision-making. AI enhances decision-making by processing massive amounts of data and identifying patterns humans might miss. Fields like medicine, finance, education, and marketing benefit from AI's predictive capabilities. Example: AI can help diagnose diseases early, recommend financial investments, or personalize learning for students. 1.5 Expanding access to work. AI enables remote collaboration, virtual teams, and flexible work arrangements. AI-driven platforms connect freelance workers with clients globally, e.g., Upwork, Fiverr. People with disabilities or those in remote areas gain more access to employment through digital and voice-enabled technologies. Part 2: Major challenges AI poses to the future of work. 2.1 Job displacement and labor market disruption. According to global studies, 30 to 50% of jobs are at high risk of automation in the next 2 decades. Low-skilled and repetitive jobs are particularly vulnerable, e.g., clerical work, drivers, retail clerks. Workers may face extended periods of unemployment or underemployment unless properly reskilled. 2.2 Growing inequality and the digital divide. Wealth and opportunity may increasingly concentrate in tech-savvy regions, companies, and individuals. High-income workers gain from AI-driven productivity, while low-income workers are at risk of exclusion. Lack of access to education, internet, and digital tools deepens the divide, especially in developing economies. 2.3 Ethical issues and bias in AI systems. AI systems can unintentionally replicate societal biases found in the training data. Examples: hiring algorithms favoring certain genders or races, or loan approval algorithms discriminating against minorities. Without transparency, it's difficult to detect or correct such biases. 2.4 Psychological and social impacts on workers. Surveillance-based AI tools, e.g., keystroke monitoring, productivity tracking, can reduce trust and increase stress. Fear of job loss and constant adaptation to new tools may affect mental health. Gig work driven by AI platforms often lacks social protections, leading to unstable incomes and poor working conditions. 2.5 Regulatory and governance challenges. Legal frameworks are lagging behind the pace of AI development. Key questions remain: who is responsible when AI makes a mistake? How should labor laws adapt to machines replacing workers? Should there be a universal basic income if automation becomes widespread? Part 3, the transformation of work itself. 3.1 The rise of the hybrid workforce. The future will not be about humans versus machines, but humans working alongside machines. Human-AI collaboration will reshape roles, doctors using AI to assist in diagnosis. Teachers using AI to personalize curriculum. Designers using generative AI to prototype ideas. 3.2 Shift from jobs to skills. Traditional job titles are becoming less relevant, skill-based work is gaining importance. Core skills of the future include complex problem-solving, emotional intelligence, adaptability and lifelong learning, tech literacy and ethical reasoning. 3.3 New work models and economies. The gig economy, remote-first culture, and decentralized platforms, e.g., blockchain-based work, are on the rise. Work will become more project-based and fluid, requiring individuals to constantly adapt and rebrand. Part 4, Strategies to prepare for the AI future. 4.1 Reinventing education and training. Schools and universities must prepare students not just for today's jobs, but for future challenges. Focus areas, digital skills from an early age, ethical and critical thinking, lifelong learning, systems integrated into society. 4.2 Investing in reskilling and upskilling. Governments, businesses, and NGOs must collaborate to create large-scale retraining programs. Companies like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google have pledged billions in reskilling initiatives. 4.3 Designing inclusive and fair AI systems. Inclusion must be embedded at every stage of AI development. Diverse datasets, ethical auditing, and stakeholder engagement are crucial to fair outcomes. 4.4 Supporting workers during transition. Governments can offer social safety nets, wage subsidies, universal basic income, trials, unemployment benefits tied to retraining programs. Career transition services and psychological support are also vital. 4.5 Global collaboration and regulation. AI's impact crosses borders, regulation must be coordinated at a global level. International AI ethics guidelines, open research communities, and policy exchanges can ensure a balanced approach. Part 5, The human side of the future of work. 5.1 Reaffirming human value in the age of AI. The uniquely human traits, empathy, morality, intuition, and purpose, become more valuable. The future of work should be people-centered, prioritizing well-being, dignity, and empowerment. 5.2 Redefining success at work. Success metrics may shift from productivity to creativity, from hours worked to value created. The post-AI workplace may offer more meaning, freedom, and balance, if guided wisely. Conclusion: shaping a future that works for all. Artificial intelligence is neither inherently good nor bad, it is a tool. How we choose to use it will determine whether it leads to widespread prosperity or deepening inequality. The future of work is not something we are waiting for, it is something we are building, right now. Policymakers, educators, employers, and individuals must come together to ensure that AI enhances human potential rather than replaces it. With inclusive innovation, responsible governance, and a focus on human-centered values, we can build a future where AI and humanity coexist in a thriving, equitable work ecosystem.